Hello and thank you for joining me. I'm Alex Wasson with Cisco Systems, and today I want to talk to you about Cisco Umbrella. Cisco Umbrella is going to be a cloud-based security service that is provided to you by Cisco and is going to be your end user's first line of defense to ensure their protection. So let's take a look at how this works. On the whiteboard, we have our basic outlay of how we're going to be connecting to the internet. We have our endpoint. In this case, it's our computer, but this could also be your phone or your tablet. We have our wireless access point, and of course the internet itself. Now on the internet, you can see that we have something labeled the DNS, and this stands for Domain Name Server. This is going to be the foundation of the internet and what it relies on to provide you what it is that you're looking for. You can think of this like a phone book. Just like you need a number to be able to call one of your friends, you need a number to be able to call the website that you're trying to reach. Let's look at an example. Let's say that you want to be able to go to gambling.com. You need a break from work, you need some you time, so you go to gambling.com. Well, the DNS server is going to respond to that request with an IP address. And this IP address is going to grant you access to gambling.com. And this is really how the internet works. You send out a request with your URL link, you get an IP address in response, and now you're able to connect. But as businesses, we have to think about some certain things. Do we really want our employees on their work computers visiting gambling.com? How do we know which sites out there are good versus the bad ones? And how can we filter these things out to ensure that our employees are protected? Well, this is where Cisco Umbrella comes into play. Cisco Umbrella is going to be Cisco's own DNS server. And instead of responding to these types of requests with IP address, we're going to respond with policies set by your administrator. So this policy is going to either grant you access or deny you access. So using the same example, you want to go to gambling.com. So you're going to type that in, but instead of getting an IP address back, you're now going to have a response based on policy. So your administrator is either going to say, yes, you have access to gambling.com, that's fine, or you're going to get a notification that will say your request for gambling.com is blocked by your administration, which means that there's been policies set to keep you from accessing these kind of sites. Now another scenario may be that your administrator provides you policy and access to gambling.com, but Cisco Umbrella recognizes that gambling.com is actually a malicious site. In that case, Umbrella is going to deny you access to gambling.com. And you're going to get a message that says you are denied due to security reasons. And again, this is all so that we can protect our end users and therefore protect our network. So with Umbrella, we have some key points here. We're going to be protected on and off of the network. And this is huge because Cisco is the only company in the industry right now who can protect you off of the network, which means when you're off of the campus or not tapped into the VPN, you're still protected. We're also going to be able to block 96% of DNS attacks. And this is extremely important because 91% of the attacks that happen on your network are going to come from this DNS level. And with Cisco Umbrella, we're going to block 96% of those attacks. And what's really cool is this only takes about 4 clicks, 30 minutes, and your Umbrella is up and running to ensure that your end users are protected. So try Cisco Umbrella today and ensure that you have the security necessary to protect you from any storms that today's security market may throw at you.